Welcome to Inspiring Gazebo Decorating Ideas for Your Outdoor Oasis. Are you looking to transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis? Look no further. We've got you covered with creative and budget-friendly gazebo decorating ideas that will leave you and your guests inspired. Gazebo decorating ideas for wedding. First up, let's talk about gazebo decorating ideas for weddings. Turn your gazebo into a magical garden fit for a fairytale wedding. Start with floral beauty. Hang fresh, white flowers on the roof and sides of your gazebo. Roses, hydrangeas, or peonies work wonders. Add flowing curtains and drapes made of delicate materials like chiffon or tulle. Let them sway gently in the breeze for that dreamy touch. Create an aisle of petals leading to the gazebo. It's a romantic idea that adds a touch of magic to the ceremony. Don't forget personalized keepsakes. Display the couple's photos in beautiful frames, telling their love story. If your wedding involves a unity ceremony, transform your gazebo into the perfect space. Decorate a small table with candles and flowers that match your theme. Gazebo decorating ideas for birthday. Planning a birthday celebration. Let's explore some gazebo decorating ideas for birthday parties. Set the mood with disco or floor lighting. Hang a colorful disco ball or paper lanterns for a mini dance floor. Add bunting and streamers all over your gazebo to give it that festive feel from the moment your guests arrive. If you have a spacious gazebo, consider outdoor games like ring toss, Jenga, or beanbag toss to keep the fun going. Gazebo decorating ideas for party. Planning a party in your gazebo. Let's dive into gazebo decorating ideas for a memorable party atmosphere. Create a photo booth fun corner. Design it according to your gazebo's size and shape. It's a trendy addition that your guests will love. Illuminate your party with mushroom fairy string lights, which are available online and offline. Place them along the pathway or under the gazebo for a magical touch. Gazebo decorating ideas for baby shower. Expecting a little one soon? Why not host a baby shower in your gazebo? Let's explore some charming gazebo decorating ideas for baby showers. Start with a baby shower floral wall backdrop. Cover your gazebo with paper petals and create a floral bonanza. Add a jumbo pastel balloon to your gazebo for that extra sprinkle of excitement. It's a cute and eye-catching addition. There you have it, the inspiring gazebo decorating ideas for your outdoor oasis. Whether it's a wedding, birthday, party, or baby shower, your gazebo can be transformed into a magical space that leaves lasting memories. So, unleash your creativity, gather your materials, and start decorating. Your outdoor oasis is waiting to be transformed. Thanks for joining us today, and we wish you all the best in creating your dream gazebo.